What's up everyone? I just got this new Flagpower 6000 power bank with integrated lightning cable. That little loop is the lightning cable. You can charge your Apple Watch on there. There's an indicator, USB port on the side. Plug in your other devices, iPad or whatever. It does charge at 1 amp all three ways. Here's some information. Alright, so let's get to opening it. Alright, well, comes with a little case, which is really nice, a little pouch. Instruction manual, micro USB input, integrated lightning cable, USB-A output, magnetic charging module for Apple Watch, which is that, 6,000 milliamp hour. The indication, it's material aluminum plus polycarbonate. Quick start guide, that's what it is. Some more information, different languages. USB charger and the device itself. So there's a lightning connector. Comes out. It snaps back in. Looks pretty solid. Output is 1 amp, input 2 amps. Nice little charger. If you have any questions, comment in the section below. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next video.